Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Kingston, there was a young woman nicknamed Sweetie. She ran a small, colorful sweets shop nestled on the bustling street corner, where the aroma of sugar and spices danced in the air. Every day, Sweetie's bright smile and infectious laughter drew in locals and visitors alike. But her heart longed for something more, something emotional and real. One scorching afternoon, as the sun poured down like molten gold, a young man named Giffy strolled into her shop. Giffy was a talented baker, working in a nearby bakery, known for his artsy passion for creating perfect pastries and bread. His eyes sparkled with mischief and warmth as he ordered a sweet treat. But when their gazes met over the counter, something electric sparked. Their chemistry was instant. From that moment, their worlds ignited. Giffy visited her shop every day, bringing her freshly baked goods, crisp, flaky croissants and warm, honey-drizzled buns. Sweetie's heart fluttered like a butterfly caught in a tropical breeze, each encounter igniting a passion that burned brighter than the Caribbean sun. Their conversations grew deeper, full of laughter, dreams, and growing promises beneath the swaying palms. One evening, under the glow of the setting sun, Giffy took Sweetie's hand in his voice trembling with emotion. "Sweetie, you're the sweetest thing in my life, more than the sugar in my pastries. I want to make you mine, to fill your days with love as warm as my oven and as sweet as your candies." Her cheeks flushed, and her eyes shimmered with happiness, her heart pounding like reggae beats in a street dance. In that passionate moment, they danced together, their love blazing like a Jamaican sunset, intense, joyful, and unstoppable. From that day on, Sweetie and Giffy's love grew wild and free, a passionate tale of sweetness and spice, forever etched into the vibrant tapestry of Kingston's heartbeat. And so, their story became a legend, an eternal celebration of love, happiness, and the magic of two young people finding each other within the charms of the vibrant island of Jamaica.